Bismillahilladzi la yadurru ismihi syai'un fil ardi wala fis samai wa huwa samiul alim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putra Aulia, and today I want to practice English pronunciation vowel sound. Okay, the first sound is I dan I. I for feel, peace, this, meter, secret, evening, equal, pizza, museum, Chinese, Japanese, complete, key, ski, kilo, liter, pizza, police, magazine, and people. Okay, number 1. Can you see the sea? A piece of pizza, please. Pizzas in the tin. A kilo of peaches and a liter of cream. Please, can you teach me to speak Portuguese? E for busy, business, building, and system. Number 1, 56. Dinner in the kitchen. A cinema ticket. A picture of a building. Big business. U and U. U for two. Fruit, juice. And number 1, me too. Work in groups. New shoe, red and blue. Listen to the music. 42 and fruit juice. And U for full. Sugar, book, foot, wood, woman. Number 1, my bag's full. Where is my book? My left foot. A kilo of sugar. Who's that woman? A for after, afternoon, ask, answer, bath, bedroom, can, class, dance, fast, father, glass, tomato, bar, car, cart, far, park, star, and start. Own, lock, hurt, half. And number 1, how far's the car park? Number 2, we went to a large bar full of film stars. Number 3, we're starting in half an hour. A for bus, color, come, cup, from, London, luck, Monday, month, mothers, much, nothing, number, run, study, son, uncle, and under. Number 1, good luck with your exam next month. Number 2, Take the number one bus. I said come on Monday, not come on Sunday. My brother's studying in London. A for bottle, box, chocolate, clock, coffee, copy, cost, cross, doctor, dog, gun, got, holiday, hospital, hot, job, lock, long, lost, lot, not, of, often, possible, shop, song, sorry, stop, top, wrong, quality, one, wash, wasn't, watch, what. A for all, ball, call, fall, tall, wall, water, talk, walk, so, coach, doctor, thought, boat, thought, quarter, warm, born, corner, fourth, horse, shirts, shorts, door, floor, before, more, four. Number one, quarter past four, born in autumn. Have some more, walking on water. The fourth door on the fourth floor. A for check, leg, letter, read, sentence, bread, head, read, friend, any, many, again, and said. Number one, tell me again. Send me a check. Correct this sentence. Correct this sentence. 20 to 12. Help your friend. A for back, camera, factory, head, jam, manager, map, plan, traffic. Number one, thanks for the cash. I ran to the bank. Where's my black jacket? That man works in a jam factory. Let me carry your bags. A for bird, first, birthday, circle, 30, word, work, word, worse, word, turn, Thursday, journey, early, ear, heard, learn, service, Germany, prefer, desert, one, verb, university. Number one, my birthday on Thursday the 31st and hers is a week later. Number two, when would you prefer Tuesday or Thursday? Number three, that was the worst journey in the world. Have you ever heard this word? The cakes weren't very good. I thought they were. She went to university to learn German. I think that's all. Sorry for his delay. Sorry for his lack of pronunciation and sorry for his delay sending a dirty link. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.